Hello guys, welcome back. I am Farooq. So I am today show my profitable day, but today is my not a profitable day because I miss the biggest opportunity and I take the little opportunity. But I need profit today. I take my profit today, but I very missing for morning market opening time to biggest opportunity. I will show that. See this video. I will show my entry and exit time and same that my missing opportunity to I am show this video. Hello guys, welcome back. First, you know which type of patterns available in market. Also patterns make for history patterns to make again. So this also chart pattern. This pattern, so all to you take this my description link and you download to print out anyone. You see market time same this pattern too. Every day will become any one pattern. Today my missing pattern is this pattern, bearish pattern. So this pattern is today my biggest opportunity and a small profit to this one pattern to my made today profit. So this pattern again will become market, so no problem. Okay guys, this pattern too you take my description and this too. Okay, let's start. We check the pattern. First you see this bearish pattern to second pattern to I am take little profit. This is a first biggest bearish pattern. I miss this pattern. So see this also many supports and many resistance. So this also very biggest bearish pattern. And so will be check this very support level 1 2 3 support level and a breakout, the big bearish breakout. Let's scale this. I am scale this pattern. See this almost 78 to 19 points. This also very crashed the points. So put option 2 made a biggest profit. This also morning time. I missed this. Some reason too I am not coming for market, so this opportunity I will miss this. Okay, will be sure I am next to my pattern. First this also delete. Okay, I am deleted time. Next you go to this pattern. This is also biggest bearish pattern. This pattern make for same other one pattern to come this form this place. I will show the again pattern, other pattern. First this pattern delete. I think first will be make this pattern small pattern. See this, sorry, not for this. Okay, this place to this place. See this four support level. So will be crash the market and will be go very small profit this place. So but I not take this pattern. Reason is my almost my like is only for bearish pattern, so I am not take this. And see, I am waiting for this pattern. Again I will come to my confirmed, so I am waiting for this pattern. Okay, this pattern form time. See this resistance and the supports will be maximum touches, so I confirmed this pattern will formed. Okay, for waiting for the moment. The next moment will be I am entry and exit time same, almost take my little profit. This also maximum 3 to 4 touch and 3 to 4 so support and resistance coming this pattern. This pattern is go around down. They almost correct. This also correct. Okay, this is a good draw. I think I will draw this pattern and I will show my correct entry and my correct target. Okay, this is my last target will be take, sorry, this also my entry first. Entry, my last entry is this also one resistance. So this down to my entry and this falls go to other down resistance to my almost thinking. So this also my target almost put option. So I am take the miss not this little profit. So almost 117 to 18 points this come down. So not bad. It's also very not a good and not a bad center profit this place. See this very small profit, but not a problem. Okay, I'll my target hit next hit to again go to big bullish go to big bullish to my target hit next going to up, and next this also creating head and shoulder pattern, bearish head and shoulder pattern. See this mostly head and shoulder pattern will be go to down, bearish head and shoulder pattern. See this also head, this also two shoulders, and the market little consultation and go very down. I will see next video. Okay, bye, take care, stay home, stay